students, welcome on Yourpedia, and this video today is something which is very relevant for all of you, those who are planning to study in higher educational courses, whether MS or PhD in India or abroad after your undergrad. You have done your BTech, you have done your BE, you have done your maybe other graduation like MSc or B Pharma or BDS or MBBS, something like that, right? And you want to get into fully funded scholarship programs India or abroad. Now can direct PhD now, because only normally direct PhD student, those who have taken admission in PhD after their BTech itself, your BTech credentials were good and you took admission in PhD without doing masters, you have taken that admission in India and abroad. Why you took admission in that? Because maybe scholarship is more. In India it is $37,000 rupees per month. Here it is $2,700 $2,800 minimum per month. In US, in Singapore, in Australia, in these kind of countries. So for scholarship, that can be one reason. Another reason is you are very focused that okay, I want to do research in this area and I want to pursue my career in academics, teaching or research. So why to do masters? Let's directly go into PhD. I save year. I am getting more salary, I am getting more scholarship. I can save my years and I can start my career in research from the very beginning. I am close to professor, and if I am in PhD, I am close to professor and I am handling those research activities in the lab better than master's students. So that is the reason why you go for direct PhD program, right? Your research aptitude you have. Now can I convert direct PhD if I am into direct PhD and I don't want to do it now later on after 2 years, can I convert it into MS program? Let me give you the statement which is very relevant. In India, if you want to convert PhD into MS, but it is difficult to do that. Please listen this carefully. In India, most of direct PhD students will feel like converting it into MS at one stage or the other of their academic journey, but it is difficult. Professors will not let you do that. Though there are some changes now after implementation of National Education Policy 2020 has come, multiple entry, multiple exit kind of things. And there were some suicides by PhD students because they got very frustrated and depressed, they committed suicide. After that there is a pressure on academic institutes and professors कि अगर कोई छोड़ के जाना चाहता है तो उसको MS दे दो. और नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी भी ये बोलती है कि अगर आपने 1 साल 2 साल किसी एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूट में लगाए हैं तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ दिया जाए, डिप्लोमा, सर्टिफिकेट, डिग्री कुछ दिया जाए, एंड मे बी यू कैन परस्यू लेटर ऑन अगेन दैट पर्टिकुलर डिग्री. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इंडिया में थोड़ा ट्रेंड स्टार्ट हुआ, लेकिन प्रोफेसर्स आर अगेंस्ट इट एज ऑफ नाउ. In US or Singapore and Australian kind of countries, in these countries, if you are into direct PhD, professor will easily give you MS after 2 years, but he will not take it. Why? Because PhD there is enjoyable experience. You get a lot of career, you get a lot of jobs, you get industrial jobs. यहाँ PhD के बाद इंडस्ट्री में कहाँ जॉब लगेगी, you are not very certain, because सिस्टम नहीं बना हुआ है प्लेसमेंट्स का. ऐसा नहीं बना हुआ कि साहब आप इंडस्ट्रीज में जॉब कर सकते हैं, या आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट का वर्क है वो इंडस्ट्री स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है. अब्रॉड में मेजॉरिटी प्रोजेक्ट वर्क्स, मेजॉरिटी PhD स्टूडेंट्स आर वर्किंग ऑन इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोजेक्ट्स. वही इंडस्ट्री आपको बेसिकली जॉब पे रख लेती है, आपको वही जॉब मिल जाती है. तो जब आप इंडस्ट्री के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, प्रोफेसर इज हैंडलिंग द प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री एंड यू एज स्टूडेंट ऑफ PhD आप उसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, तो इंडस्ट्री में जॉब लग जाती है. और अगर आपको पता है कि MS के बाद मेरे को $5,000 मिलेगा और PhD के बाद मेरे को $12,000 मिलेगा और मेरे को हर स्टेज पे ग्रोथ मिलेगी, तो आप PhD करोगे. सो अब्रॉड में आपको प्रोफेसर इजीली MS दे देता है, वो तो ठीक है चले जाओ, बट आप नहीं जाते हो. वाई? बिकॉज आपको करियर दिखता है. इंडिया में प्रोफेसर नहीं देता, रोकता है, नहीं तुम नहीं जा सकते, तुम तो बॉन्डेड हो, तुम नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन आप छोड़ के जाना चाहते हैं. दिस इज द डिफरेंस एज फार एज कन्वर्शन ऑफ direct PhD into MS is concerned, India and abroad. Thank you.